Welcome. Go on, Craig, go on. Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are back with the awesome, stunning Jada Kingdom. And she's...
You forget that part.
And she's going to perform in a minute. But before we jump into that, Jada, I just want to ask, quickly, tell us, how did you get into music?
Oh, well, I was a writer first. I was writing poems.
So you just wake up and just decide, say, I can write, so?
Yeah, like from about 9.
So were you writing for anyone in particular, or?
Yeah, I write for lots of people. Yeah, man.
Like, ooh.
I can't disclose that.
Oh, okay. Top secret. If we tell you, we're going to have to kill you, so we can't tell you. All right. Take us away, and we'll talk again when you're finished.
Okay.
All right.
Sure.
This one is called Best You've Ever Had. It's on my EP coming out. Hold on. Knew I had to run away now, but tell them what you did. Tell them how you tore my heart out and threw it in the bin. But I still wanna bless you, wanna kiss and caress you. You know nobody can touch you, 'cause I'll be the best you. And I'll be the best you, best you, best you've ever had. Praying that you change your dirty ways, 'cause ain't nobody gonna love you like me. Now be the best you, best you, best you've ever had. Didn't mean to hurt you, doctor say, but all I need right now is balance and peace. Can't believe I gave you all the no. Upgraded to a done from a papa. Want you for be the one, but generate me. I look, I know I end up with a man. But even after that, I still need your loving. People say I'm mad, but I attend the touching. Don't even make no sense of him to drink or smoking. Can't leave you alone, and it must be something. Bless you, wanna kiss and caress you. You know nobody can test you, 'cause I'll be the best you. Now be the best you, best you, best you've ever had. Best you, best you, best you ever had. Best you ever had indeed. I don't know why I feel like I need this, but sure say I don't love 'cause I'm compulsive. 'Cause anytime you come on me, I for run it. Liquor you to messing with my meds. I'ma wonder if they ever really think about me. Nothing too outrageous, but just what we could be. Want you back, but I don't think that you'd be ready. Or maybe I'm just avoiding sad and lonely. Bless you, wanna kiss and caress you. You know nobody can test you, 'cause I'll be the best you. I wanna bless you, wanna kiss and caress you, 'cause I'll be the best you ever had indeed. I'll be the I'll be the best you ever had, baby.
Yes, 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 yes.
Well, now do it right, man.
Yeah. So, you know, we are so honored here at Daytime Live because it's the first time that you've actually performed that on TV, right?
Yeah, I think so.
What are you going to say no?
Yes.
What are you going to say no?
I'm everywhere, you know. So.
Well, I'm just saying. All right. So maybe it's not. All right. Never mind. Never mind.
No, man,
Thank you.
Jada,
That was really
for you,
amazing.
Thank you for having
And girl,
me.
you are
It's gonna be
stunning.
so fun. Oh, well, except for you guys, you know. We know you.
Yeah, we don't like you. But
Sorry,
I have a question for you. What would you describe your sound? How would you describe it?
Pure.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah,
Yes.
real, man.
Would you say like sultry as well? Like I feel there's
Well,
or
I don't know
earthy
if I
maybe.
call it,
Earth-
but from it I come from.
From
yeah,
the
so.
come from here as well.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me like her. Me and I gonna hang out here and see we all together. Me just say. So guys who watching at home, don't forget that there's no Daytime Live on Tuesday or Friday because why?
Champs.
I wonder who is
Lions.
Champs, guys. Who you bringing? So
Champion.
you know, Joel is bringing. Who am I bringing? Casey.
Casey.
You are bringing Calabar.
Calabar and Campbell.
Since this morning.
Who you bringing?
I don't know.
All right. She's like, I'm not so sure.
I don't know. I never really.
No, but for real
When them buckle me, I'll let you know next time.
Hold on.
All right.
No, but me have to big up Jada first.
All right, big up you the
Proud of
first.
you. No, man, she'll do her thing and you do the thing. Proud of you.
All right.
No, man, for real,
Daytime
go
Live.
support the music, support the EP.
Be right back.
Get
we'll
involved
see
with
you
the
guys
music.
next week when? Next week, other.
Week after next.
So not next week, the other week. The 27th, Daytime Live will be back. Yeah, I can hear in
We're
the
so
mic. Thank you
forward.
so much for joining us. Miss Stunning, we love our yes. Big up yourself. See you guys.
Blessings.
Bye.